Today we're unboxing something here. So you know, a few videos back I redid the A-arms on the front of this car.
Alright, now I got my ball joint all pushed on there and the boot on.
We put in new bushings. Whenever I put the ball joints in, I thought they went in kind of easy. I didn't know that was going to be a problem, but I took it in to get an alignment and they said that they couldn't do it. That sent us down the road of needing some new A-arms. I reached out to BMR and told them about my dilemma, and they fixed me up with the perfect A-arm for this car. It's like Christmas. Love that red. There it is. New bushings, new ball joint with the spring perch. Now we gotta do is put them on. It's the weekend. We've got a beautiful day here in Memphis. We are going to work on the Black Widow. Today is the day that we put the new control arms on. I'm starting to gather my stuff. We got my jacks out. We got our jack stands out. I need to break some lug nuts loose and get started. Alright, got the car all up in there. Got our jack stands underneath it. I also just have a jack there as well. A little extra support. And I've got the wheels chalked in the back. Ben showed up. This guy, I think he's going to help me get these new control arms installed. So.
When you got the car all jacked up and you take a wheel off, it's usually a good idea to stick it underneath the body of the car, just a little extra protection. As you can see, we forgot to do that.
Alright, so we gotta get this cotter pin out of here. So now we're going to get the jack underneath here. Stupid cotter pin. So now, there's just two big bolts over here that connect it to the K-member that we got to get undone. We're getting there. It's out. Which one of those A-arms goes on this side? No, it's the other one.
Come on, man.
Come on, man.
You know, sometimes things just don't fit just right, and you have to make these little, fine-tune adjustments and then beat it in with a hammer.
It's there. That's pretty tight. I guess we need the spindle. Now, are we going to be able to get it over this?
We cheated a little bit taking it apart without taking the rotor and the dust shield off. We were able to knock those ball joints out, so we were able to get it off the other one pretty easy. And this one, it just went right on.
Yeah, we did. Alright. Trying to see where the hole's at. I don't see a hole.
After you put your castle nut on, you got to line up the slots in the castle nut so you can get your cotter pin through the hole in the bolt.
Mine's gotta go away.
The ball joint had this spacer on it with the nut and everything, so I put it
I
on.
don't think I can use that. The other one didn't have one.
You want to talk? Oh, you almost stuck it right there. Almost stuck it.
Alright, now we need to put our Zert fitting in. I mean, it's a simple process. All you need is a new control arm. Take off your old control arm. You'll need these tools. Got it? Alright. So one thing I like about this ball joint as opposed to the ones that we got before is it actually has a spot already drilled for your Zert fitting. Zert, Zert, Zert. Super Lube. Multi-purpose synthetic grease. Get up there. See that right there? That's the ball joint boot. Why didn't y'all tell me? I'm trying to fill up there and I got grease coming out down here. Alright, we're ready to get this side buttoned up. We about got it finished up. Just need to get the brake caliper back on and the wheel back on. BMR was super cool to work with. And I told him about the YouTube channel. It's been a nice addition to the shop walls. Thank you, BMR. Stickers! BMR Suspension. Yeah, I like that one. This will be my going to town shirt. Heck yeah. Thanks for the swag. And thanks for the quality A-arms that we're about to put on the Black Widow. We made our way through one side. Now we got one to go. And I forgot, it's always good to take your wheel off, just kind of throw it underneath the car. That way if something were to happen and it falls, you know, you got a wheel underneath there.
Oh, that's smart thinking. Because I do worry about you being up under the car like this.
Oh.
I know.
That's why we gotta get new control arms. See how easy that ball joint just fell out of there? I just little tap and the ball joint fell out.
Oh,
That's the whole problem.
I see.
Alright, so now we gotta get this spring out of here without it busting us
The
in.
spring has to come out?
Yeah, without it busting us in the face or anything.
Yeah, that's kind of scary.
Oh my gosh!
I'm glad they can't see my face.
I wish they could have, actually.
And just like that, this side is disassembled.
No big deal.
No big deal, nothing to it. Whew, I need a break.
I know why that was so hard.
What?
I do. Yeah, I know why that was so hard. Wait. I wasn't wearing my BMR Suspension shirt.
Oh.
That's why.
Oh.
It's gonna be so much easier now putting it back together. God.
Duh.
I'm so. Don't know why I didn't think of that. So all we gotta do now is all the stuff that we just did, but backwards.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Ooh, look at that pretty red.
I know, isn't that nice?
It's more fun going back together though with like new parts. Somehow it takes.
It's a mental thing.
Yeah, it's like not as bad. Okay, it's almost enjoyable. Muscle.
So this tip of the spring right here, it's got a spot that it sets right here up against that.
Oh, right, to see.
So you want to have that lined up.
There's the kitty cat I was looking for. There he is. Hey, Covey. It's the shop cat. Are you here to supervise? Oh,
This is the not fun part. I tell you what, these control arms make this so much better. Here we go.
excellent. Excellent work.
Here's that.
What do you think, Covey? Did he do a good job?
I like fish.
Covey, did he do a good job?
I like fish and chicken. Copy almost the spot where it'll line up. Right there.
Alright, so we got our brake caliper back on. I'm putting the Zert fitting in the ball joint. Now we're gonna grease everything up.
Alright. Tilted everything.
Alright. Torqued. They're a big improvement over these for sure.
Oh, yeah.
Alright, thanks again for watching some 9-finger wrenching. What else am I going to say? You got anything to say, Ben?
Whip on the ground.
Whip on the ground. I mean, you heard that right here, folks. Whips on the ground.
It's been quite the day. It was beautiful outside earlier when I started working, and now it's dark. But I think we're going to take the car for a little spin around the block and just go see what it feels like. That's a little better.
that's another modification for the Black Widow checked off the list. Heck, we've done the motor, the transmission. Now I guess we need to do the back end of the car next.